Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, access multi-dimensional arrays with indexes. One way to think of a multi-dimensional array is an array of arrays. When you use bracket to access your array, the first set of brackets refer to entries in the outermost, the first level array, and each additional pair of brackets refer to next level of entries inside. So here is the first level of array and then the next level innermost array and outermost array. So here we can see this is array of arrays, means it also contains numbers but it also consists of arrays inside inside another array like this. So we can see that when array at the index 3 is called, then it will equal to this, which is contains array of array number and number. Note that there shouldn't be any spaces between the array name and the square brackets, like array 00 in the brackets, and even array a space 0 is not allowed. Although JavaScript is able to process this correctly, this may confuse other programmers reading your code. So the task for this challenge: using bracket notation, select an element from my array such that my data is equal to 8. So my data should be equal to 8. So how that can be? 8 is here. That means third element means second index, and first index here. Yeah, that is second element inside that. So it should work. Run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.